Hello, the Galley Kitchen Adventure continues with this series of videos focusing on preserving hot peppers with recipes suited for canning. It's good to know some recipes that allow you to enjoy your peppers year-round. These days you don't even need to be growing the peppers, with many stores selling Scotch bonnets, habanero, and even ghost and scorpion peppers. Today we will utilize some yellow Scotch bonnet peppers to create a versatile spiced apple chutney. Take a look at the ingredients. 2 kilograms of apples, cored, peeled and diced, 5 Scotch bonnets, a large sum of ginger minced, 3 medium onions chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, the grated rind and juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon canning salt, 3.5 cups apple cider vinegar, some white and brown sugar, 2 bay leaves, a stick of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of clove, and 1 teaspoon of allspice. So I've gone ahead and minced up the garlic and ginger, juiced and collected the rind of the lime, and we'll continue the prep with dicing up the onions. Onions diced, and we'll set them aside. When working with hot peppers, it's definitely good advice to use gloves. We're going to remove the membranes and the seeds and mince up the peppers. Once you're done, discard the glove and wash your hands very thoroughly. We'll begin to peel and core our apples. I like to use this handy tool. Cores it and cuts it into segments very quickly and makes life a lot easier. All I have to do is take a look through, make sure that it didn't bring through any of the core, get that out of there, and then it is really easy to cut it up into fairly small diced chunks. As you're doing your apple, this is where you use the rind and juice of the lime to coat the apple and keep it nice and bright and fresh. So in with our vinegar and our sugar. So that's 3.5 cups vinegar, 2 1/4 cups brown sugar, and 1 1/4 cup white sugar. One teaspoon of clove, come on now, there we go. And 1 teaspoon of allspice. Now in with our diced apple. Our hot peppers and ginger and garlic. And our onions go in. Mix everything thoroughly. Bring it up to heat slowly, making sure all the sugars dissolve, and stirring frequently. And we'll get in our salt. So that's 1 tablespoon of salt. And 1 stick of cinnamon. Our 2 bay leaves. So we get that up to a boil, and you simmer that for 1 to 1.5 hours until it starts to thicken up. Now our jars have been boiled for 20 minutes. We'll get all of our jars ready. Now, definitely important to remove out the cinnamon stick and the bay leaves. And we're ready to jar. I like to boil my utensils for a minute or so. When you're filling your jars, you want to keep a clean rim. The funnel is pretty much essential to me. You fill them up to the bottom of the band rings, the threads on the mason jar. That leaves the appropriate amount of headspace so the jars seal up. This recipe makes between 2¼ to 2½ liters. I'm going to jar up 2¼ liters and pull off the rest as a sampler. Give your lids and rings a warming in the boiling water. Get these on finger tight. Give them a good snug fit. And away they go for a 20-minute boil in the water bath. Now let's give it a taste. Oh, that's absolutely delicious. Such a versatile sauce. If you like this recipe, give it a try. Give us a like in the comments. To follow for more useful hot pepper recipes, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.